Is naming each child as a co-executor a good idea? What's up, everybody? My name's Josh Key. I'm the managing attorney at Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. And before we begin with that very important question today, if you have questions about probate or estate planning and you live in the great state of Alabama, if you'd like to speak to an attorney for free, you can do so by going to keylawllc.com. We've got a calendar right there. You can set your own appointment. We'd be happy to speak with you and try to see if we can help you out. Now, should all children be named as co-executors? This can lead to kind of an unusual situation, and most people in the estate planning process, they try to do this because they try to make sure that every child feels welcome, and that they try to mitigate some of the unfairness or perceived unfairness about naming an executor or just one person. And you see this a lot with families. So I know from my personal experience, when my father passed, he had someone that was completely outside of the family, just as an effort to make sure that everyone felt that things were fair. So many times parents will name all of their kids as co-executors and bring everybody to the table with their own unique perspective. And it can lead to a situation when there is a disagreement, and one person feels that the other two or three or however many are not doing what they should be doing, or doing things that are not legal or not in the best interest of the estate. It can lead to a really big disputes, and they can all move to remove one another and get down to one. And many times this occurs with co-executors. Well, in that instance, it goes in front of a probate judge, and a probate judge has to sit and listen. And it can actually lead to a situation where the probate judge says, I'm done with all of you. Y'all don't know what you're doing, or you guys can't really get along. I don't see this as a situation that's in the best interest of the estate. So I'm just going to name someone else, a disinterested party, to come in and do that. And that ends up taking care of that situation. Where that's kind of another downfall is that in that situation, the estate expenses rise and starts eating into the estate more and more and more. So with those co-executors not being able to get along, there's a situation where the estate may diminish, and when you want to leave more to your kids, all that fighting may end up diminishing what they get and raise the estate expenses. So co-executors is not necessarily the best idea. It's usually a pretty good idea to go down to one, and if you can't get down to one, then trying to find a disinterested party, like a bank or other attorneys or other friends or family that can help. That's typically a better idea. If you have questions about that or need help trying to figure out who would be a good executor or trustee, attorneys like myself can really help you in that instance. So hopefully that helps you. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below. Again, my name is Josh Key. I'm the managing attorney at Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. Have a good day.